We've built 8 mobile phone masts over the last few years across a 45-mile stretch of track between Brunton and Stannington to try and improve the connectivity on trains. The difference that you'll notice is much better mobile phone connectivity, so those calls that you have from friends, family, work colleagues, they won't cut out. You also have better access to your mobile phone data when you're on the move. A brilliant project working really closely with local landowners, with the power companies, with O2 to build these masts, which will be fantastic for everybody.
Providing railway lines with reliable coverage has historically been a real challenge for the industry, and it's an area where customers want to see improvements.
It's just such a bad signal. It's a bit like talking in code. You get the phone signal just breaks up. So any improvement on that would be really good.
On the train, then definitely I wouldn't want to transact business on there because you're in the middle of a call and then it will just dip out.
It will provide dependable connectivity to our customers in those moments that matter, meaning they can call friends, download the tickets and get some work done on the train.
It's a great idea, this. This is a very important project because it kills 2 birds with 1 stone very effectively to ensure that people aren't in the middle of a phone call about to cut a deal and then suddenly pop, it goes. It's also really important for everyone round here. Connectivity is still something that many people in Northumberland need.
It's obviously focused on the railway line itself, but we get to benefit as a local community, the local village, and the businesses around. We run a big tourism business and the people who come and stay just expect really good connectivity. And the other thing, as a farmer, actually out on the farm, safety, mobile phone is a crucial bit of kit.
We're working to our core values of providing a service that's better for our people, our places and our planet, and this touches all 3. It provides better connectivity for our customers, it provides connectivity for our communities up and down the route, and it's brilliant for our people as well.